Hello, my cheerful little buddies. Today, I'm drawing Bluey and her best friend Coco having a fun day together. It's going to be full of laughter, imagination, and friendship. Before we start, tap the like button so Bluey and Coco can smile even brighter. The sun shines warmly over the playground. Bluey runs fast with her tail wagging. She spots Coco sitting near the slide, holding her sparkly pink ball. "Hey Coco," Bluey calls happily. "Wanna play a game? Give this video a like if you love playing with your best friend too." Coco smiles and says, "Of course, Bluey. Let's play bounce and catch." Bluey nods excitedly. "Okay, I'll bounce the ball first." She throws the ball high, and it bounces with a big boing sound. Tap like if you love games that make you giggle and shout. Bingo runs over and waves. "Can I play too?" Coco says, "Yes, the more the merrier." Bluey grins. "Let's make it a jumping bounce race." Press like if you think three friends make the best team ever. They start bouncing the ball and hopping at the same time. Bluey shouts, "Catch it, Coco!" And Coco laughs, "Got it!" Bingo cheers. "Yay! We're the bounce champions." Give this video a like if you love friendly games that make everyone happy. Suddenly, the ball rolls near the big tree. Bluey says, "Let's pretend the tree is a castle, and the ball is treasure." Coco nods. "We must protect it from the sneaky dragon." Tap like if you enjoy pretend play with your friends too. Dad walks by carrying snacks and smiles at the scene. "What's going on here, little adventurers?" he asks kindly. Bluey replies proudly, "We're saving the treasure, Dad." Press like if you love when grown-ups join your fun games. Bingo pretends to be the dragon and growls loudly, "Roar! Give me the treasure." Coco laughs, "No way! The treasure belongs to us brave puppies." Bluey shouts, "Quick, Coco! Hide the ball behind the castle." Give this video a like if you love exciting adventures with friends. They all run and giggle, playing their roles with joy. Dad claps and says, "That's the best team of heroes I've ever seen." Bluey smiles proudly. "Because friendship always wins, Dad." Tap like if you believe friendship makes every day special. As the sun begins to set, the friends sit on the grass together. Coco sighs happily. "That was the best game ever, Bluey." Bluey nods. "Yeah, you're the best partner in adventure." Before you go, tap the like button if you'd love to play with Bluey and Coco one day.